Where am I? This world feels so strange. Why is everything so unclear?
You're not alone. Take my hand.
It feels unreal. Just trust me. We'll walk through it together. I'm scared. Will I make it across safely?
You're not alone, Noorha. I won't let you fall.
Behind every fear lies a path. For your dreams, this step is necessary.
It's so beautiful. I can finally breathe. See?
Even pain can bloom into light.
Everything here is so beautiful. Maybe I can finally find my happiness. See?
After every darkness, light always finds its way.
In this light, everything feels endless.
Because some moments are meant to last forever.
Your dreams and you both complete my world.
Then maybe we were meant to find each other here. And you showed me that every dream is possible as long as someone's there with you.
Always, Noorha. Always. You're awake, how do you feel? Like my dream taught me how to begin again.
The world of dreams taught me I'm ready for my own. And I'll always be with you.
I've learned that love, trust, and courage sovereign. These three can turn any dream into reality.
A new day, ready for more?
Always, hun, together.